Here I have OPPO Find X, and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down and select display and brightness, and here you will notice font size. Just tap on it, and now you can easily, by tapping on this scale, select the size that you would like to have. So it can be a huge one, the biggest one, or for example this one, the middle option, or you can have the totally small one. So let me pick for example this one. And now if you will go back, you will see that everything is in way bigger font. If you would like to change it, just go one more time to display and brightness, and then tap on font size, and here you can change it to smaller one. And if you will go back, you will notice that the changes have been made. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.